Hey everyone, Awesome Disney Toys here, and today we're bringing you Play-Doh, numbers, letters, and fun. We're gonna have a blast learning how to count with Play-Doh today. If you have a son, daughter, little sister, or younger brother who needs to learn their numbers, be sure to have them check out this video. We also get 8 Play-Doh cans to work with. Here's red and pink. This is green and white. Orange and purple. And blue and yellow. Let's open it up. Awesome! So many pieces to work with. Since we're only doing numbers today, we'll be using the blue and red pieces. I'll start with the blue Play-Doh. Here's the number 1. Say it with me. 1. Here's the number 2. Let's all say it together. 2. Number 3. One more time. 3. I wonder what number this red Play-Doh will be. It's 4. Let's all repeat that. 4. These Play-Doh numbers are starting to look like birthday candles. Thumbs up if you agree. Here's number 5. Let's hear it once more. 5. Time to use the pink Play-Doh. This is the number 6. Say it with me. 6. Here's 7. What was the number? 7. Here's number 8. 8 is great. This is number 9. One more time. 9. It's time for our final number. Try to guess what it is. That's right, it's 10. The last number we're doing is 10. Here's a quick review on what we learned today. 1. 1. 2. 2. 3. 3. 4. 4. 5. 5. 6. 6. 7. 7. 8. 8. 9. 9. 10. 10. Now let's do it all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Woohoo! We mastered our 1, 2, 3s today. Good job! This was so much fun. I hope you learned a lot about numbers. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to watch more. See you soon.